How do you feel? As you are seated now, बिचारे ये लोग 365 days they sit like that only in class. Have sympathy for them, no? Teachers say we don't have time to joke also. Very bad. So relax them, na? So as I am trying to relax you, you should relax the students also in the class, no? They should love that every teacher I want. Not that ये आ गया यार, leave करेंगे क्या? He has not checked on the leave. That should not be the presence now. Anyway, teachers' problems are plenty. Poor fellows. I am also a teacher, na? So I am sympathizing myself. Okay, now I'll ask one question. What is institution? I'll define what is institution, what is excellence, who is a teacher first of all, who could be the teacher, when we చెప్పి తర్వాత what is excellence in teaching. If time is there are so many things are there to share, huge subjects are there, but you love it. I am not going to bombard something theoretical now. I'll ask one question. What is an institution? Means what? Whatever you share.
Institution is the group of infrastructure and the people.
Group of?
Infrastructure and the people.
Huh?
Place of coordination, like they work for one purpose.
Okay.
A place of work that could be any kind of work. Maybe we can learn something.
ठीक है. This is what I am going to show you was said by Jiddu Krishnamurti. This is only one slide I copied. Rest all I never copied. All from him only directly. Or from Bhagavad Gita, but otherwise no. Okay? This I like it. Number one. First read sentence. Together explore. Not teachers coming and bombarding the students. Together, he says, together. First one. Outer knowledge is explored. Together. Together. You are no way superior to children. First point you should understand. We are in no way superior to. This is a fact. Sometimes they are more intelligent than you. First point. Second is improve thinking of both the teacher and the taught. I always joke, when is a teacher feels miserable? Do you want to know? When syllabus changes. You know why? No syllabus, no study. Otherwise you would have by hearted including ISDN number. No preparation required. Go and only when syllabus change, then staff room discussions will change. From staff room politics to staff room cooperation. Syllabus change means problem begins. Yes or no? New chapters, new explanation, new calculations. Everything has to be changed. So, we have to improve thinking of both teacher and the taught. Okay? I am going to do introduction today. Directly, if I go into excellence and all, that will become a heavy subject. I will tell basic things today only. Third is behavior. This is very important. First of all, I am no way superior to anybody. You correct the children. You think that by dictating, by dominating, teachers dominate. One of the bimari of the teachers is they dominate the children in the class. How? I tell you. Suppose the student asks one question and teacher doesn't know the answer. How does she dominate, you know? Don't you know this much? Go to library, refer, write the notes, give you one copy also tomorrow. The poor fellow gets sad. The teacher, that's how they manage. I know, since 35, 40 years I have been doing this work. Before you started as a teacher. That's how they dominate. Instead of saying that, oh, this is a good question, my dear, let us go together to the library today. Let us sit together. Let us learn together. Let us improve together. You don't ask. Okay, chalo. Now, second question. Next slide. What is the purpose of education? बोलो.
To get knowledge. Sharing knowledge.
अच्छा. बहुत बढ़िया.
To make a good citizen.
हाँ, something is coming out.
To make a good citizen.
Okay. Before that, the first and foremost is to make humans humane. Now tell me, honestly speaking, I'll ask one question, my dear teachers. For all the problems, atrocities that are happening on the globe, what is the percentage of accountability to be assigned to the teaching community? Are you totally responsible, or what is the percentage of responsibility you take as teaching community? Tell me now. We are responsible? No. That's why beyond teaching, I conduct classes. What is the role of a teacher on a student after he or she leaves the institution? Is there any role to play? No. We have no role to play. We send them out. Next batch will come. Batch after batch we confuse and spoil them and contribute to the confused citizens to the country today by your wrong concepts and ideas. I can prove on the board so many wrong concepts we tell. One चुन के बता सकता हूँ मैं आपको. Shall I give one sample now? One sample I'll show you. How we, आप सुन रहे हो ना? ये किसके लिए? हाँ, this is good.